Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create a new Microsoft Outlook account using just your Android phone. First, open the Microsoft Outlook app. If you have not installed it yet, check out our video on how to download it from the Play Store. On the welcome screen, tap Create New Account or Sign Up at the bottom. But if you already have one, then simply tap Add Account and fill up your credentials. Now type your preferred email name and from here choose @outlook.com as your email provider. Once done, tap Next. Now create a strong password, at least 8 characters with letters, numbers or symbols. Tap Next. Enter your first and last name here and tap Next. Now here, select your country or region and your birthday. These details help personalize your account. Now solve the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Tap Continue to Outlook, and that's how to create a Microsoft Outlook account on your Android phone. You'll be taken straight to your inbox. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment below what app you want a tutorial on next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.